Hello, grade 9. I'm making the review 4. Okay, so let's do from question number 1. The remainder obtained when the polynomial p of x is given x cubed plus ax square minus 3x plus b is divided by x plus 3 is twice the remainder obtained by p of x, which is divided by x minus 2. So first let us write p of negative 3 is twice it seems. So which means if we want to equate them, it must be 2 times of p of 2. Make sense? So we need to make it into 2 equations and find the value of a and b. Let's see. So p of negative 3. So p of negative 3 I'm writing as negative 3 whole cubed plus a times negative 3 square minus 3 times negative 3 plus b equal to, so if you expand this, this is going to be negative 27 plus 9a plus 9 plus b is equal to 2 times of p of 2, right? So 2 times of 2 cubed plus a times 2 squared minus 3 times 2 plus b. So this is going to be, I think we don't need this line. So this is going to be, when you simplify this, you will get 2 times 2 cubed is 8 plus 4a minus 6 plus b. When you expand this, this becomes 16 plus 8a minus 12 plus 2b equal to negative 27 plus 9a plus 9 plus b. So you put them together, then you will get a minus b is equal to 22. So this is the first equation. So second equation also given that p of x is divisible by x plus 1. So which means the another equation is p of negative 1 equal to negative 1 plus a plus 3 plus b is equal to 0 because it is divisible by x plus 1. So it should be a factor. So this is going to be second. So I will put a and b together. So a plus b equal to negative 2, a minus b equal to 22. So I can cancel this. 2a equal to 20, a equal to 10. So when a equal to 10, you will get b equal to negative 12. So at the end, write down your answers. A equal to 10 and b equal to 12. Question number 2, simplify. So first I'm going to simplify the numerator. So this gives me 18 minus 6 square root 5, then plus 12 square root 5 minus 2 times 2 4, 4 times 5 is 20 over 4 minus square root of 5. So when you further simplify this, you will get 6 square root of 5 minus 2 over 4 minus square root of 5. So now you rationalize it. Times with 4 plus square root of 5. So this gives me 24 square root of 5 plus 6 times 5 is 20. 6 times 5 is 30 minus 8 minus 2 square root of 5 over 6 times 6 is 6. 4 times 4 is 16 minus 5. So this gives me 11 22 square root of 5 plus 22. So simplify this, you will get the answer as 2 square root of 5 plus 2 if we divide. So this is our final answer. Then the diagram shows that the triangle ABC with AB 6 minus 2 square root 3 and BC is 6 plus. See here you can already see that this is in the form of A plus B and this is A minus B. Yeah, given that cos ABC, so this one is negative 1 over 2. So now you need to find what is the value of AC. So AC square equal to 6 minus 2 square root of 3 whole square plus 6 plus 2 square root of 3 whole minus, I'm using cosine rule, okay, minus 6 minus 2 whole square, 6 minus 2 square root of 3 times 6 plus 2 square root of 3 and cos ABC, which is negative 1 over 2. So this one gets cancelled. So negative times negative becomes positive. So this is in the form of a square minus a plus b times a minus b. So what is a plus b times a minus b? 6 square minus 2 square root 3 whole square. What is 2 square root 3 whole square? 12. Okay. So now let us also expand this. So 36 minus 12 times 24 square root 3 plus 2 times 2 4 4 times 3 is 12 plus same thing, but this time you will get plus 24 square root 3 plus 12. So I can cancel this and this. So here it's going to be, again this is still AC square, is going to be 36 plus 36 72, 72 plus 12 is 84, 84, this is also 12, 84, 84 plus 12, right? So which is 96, 96, 96, and we also have 36 minus 12. So 96 plus 36 minus 12, which is 120. When you simplify all this, you will get 120. So AC is going to be square root of 120, so which is 2 square root 30. Okay, so it's in the form of C. We have to write in the answer as C square root D. So C equal to 2, D equal to 30. That's the answer. Next question, question number 9. I think I didn't arrange the question numbers. I just used the same question numbers from the past paper. Okay, so question number 9, which is the relationship between x and y is given in this form. All right, so now transform this relationship into the straight line form. So basically the question didn't say anything, so you can basically use ln or log. No, it is e is there, so I would like to use ln. Okay, so ln y is equal to ln a plus ln e to the power of bx. So simplify it, it becomes ln a plus bx. So in this, x is x, so b is m, and ln a is c, right? So now hence plot. So first I'm going to make another table, because we don't have to worry about x, we have to worry about y. Y we need to change to ln y. Yeah, so I will change all the values first. So this is ln y. So ln y, ln 736 is 6.60, then 5.60, 4.60, 3.61, 2.60. See, you can already see that it is actually changing into straight line. See, almost the points are having the same proportion. So now here you can see that the y values are until the greatest is 7 and the x values the greatest is 10. So I will use, so this is going to be 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Yeah, so let us plot now. So the first one 2 is 6.6, so somewhere here. Yeah, I use a blue color, that's better. Then 4 is 5.6, 5.6 somewhere here. Then 6 is 4.6, so somewhere. Then 8 is 3.61, so 8 is 3.6. and 10 is 2.6. Oh, sorry, 2.6, not 1. 2.6. So here is the, yeah. So I can, here is the graph. All right. And don't forget to also uh, plot the, label the axis. All right. Use your graph to find the value of A and B. Okay. So we know that M is B, right? So I will use M. How do I find M? Just use 2 points from the table. Okay, so I just use the 2 points, 2.6 minus 3.6 over 10 minus 8. So basically I'm using these points, 2 and 10, 2.6 and 10, this point and this point. Yeah, so this gives me negative 1 over 2. So, and we can also see that the line is going down. So the gradient is negative. So which is good. So now I will use again one more, again this may be the same point. Yeah. And use y equal to mx plus c. So y equal to 2.6 equal to m is negative 1 over 2 times x, x is 10 plus c, right? So this gives me C is equal to, basically it gives me 7.6. But what is C in the question? C is ln A, right? So ln A equal to 7.6. A is going to be e to the power of 7.6. So we will write it as 3 significant. So A, if you put in the calculator, A is about 2000 as a 3 significant and B is negative 1 over 2. Estimate the value of x when y equal to 500. So since we have already the value of a and b, so I will use the formula which is given in the question. So 500 equal to e to the power of 7.6. Ln a was 7.6 times e to the power of negative 0.5x. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about? I'm using this formula. Yeah, a is, we got a was how much we got just now? We got a was this one. So I'm using that. Then times e to the power of, see, e to the power of bx. What is bx we got? We got it as negative 1 over 2. So I'm writing as 0 point, negative 0 point. So now I will use e to the power of, use the formula a power m times a power n equal to a power m plus n. So e to the power of 7.6 minus 0.5 x equal to 500. So ln 500, ln on both sides, right? So ln on both sides, if I take ln on both sides, I will get ln 500 is equal to 7.6 minus 0.5 x. So you substitute x equal to, you will get 2.77 as a 3 significant. So how do you substitute? First you minus 7 point, ln 500 minus 7.6, then divided by negative 0.5. I can also write the steps here if you want to. If you want me to write, I will write the steps here. So ln 500 minus 7.6 over negative 0.5 x equal to, then you will get this answer. Now estimate the value of y when x equal to, this is easy. So again, e to the power of 7.6 minus e to the power of negative 1 over 2 times 5. Just put everything in the calculator. You will get answer as 164.02. So 3 significant 160. Next question, on the axis below, sketch the graph. Okay, and you can see that it's a modulus. So for any graphs, first we need to make a table. That's very important. So x coordinate, it's x-intercept and y-intercept. When x equal to 0, y is modulus of 3. And when y is 0, just factorize, you will get x equal to 3 and x equal to negative 1 over 2. Okay, so x equal to 3 and x equal to negative 1 over 2. So now, and it is a 3. So this is our answer for that. Oh, so simple. Finish. 4 marks. Okay, it is given that log 4 x equal to log base 4 x equal to uh, x equal to p, giving your answer in its simplest form. Okay, so I'm writing log 4. I'm using the multiplication law and I will separate it. Okay, so now we know that this is p. Yeah, and this one I can write it as 4 squared. So this gives me 2 plus p. Then this also I'm using the division law and I will write it as this. So this I will write as 7. Bring the power, using the power law, bring the 7 down, minus 4, 4 to the power of 4. So we know that this becomes a 4 and minus, and this is 7p, 7p minus 4. Then hence, using your answers in part A and part B, so I will use the answers in part A and part B. Equal to 5. So negative 6p equal to negative 1, p equal to 1 over 6. But we know that p equal to log base 4x. So I will write log base 4x equal to 1 over 6, x equal to 4 to the power of 1 over 6, which gives us 1.1 equal to 1.259, 3 significant 1.26. Then question number 7. Find the area of the figure. Okay, so finding the area of the figure. So first we need to find how much is this part, right? So this part is going to be 6 plus 3 square root of 5 minus 2 plus 3 square root of 5. So this is basically a 4. Yeah. So area of a triangle first. I will find the area of the triangle. Half times base times height, so which is 4 times 10 minus 2 square root 5, because this is also 10 minus 2 square root 5. So times 2, so this gives me 2 times 10 minus 2 square root 5. So this I'll write it as 20 minus 4 square root 5. Then plus the rectangle. So area of the rectangle, so which is 10 minus 2 square root 5 times 6 plus, no, this is not 6 plus, this is 2 plus 3 square root 5. So this gives me 10 times 2 is 20 plus 3 square root 5 minus 4 square root 5 minus 6 times 5 is 30. So this gives me negative 10 minus square root 5. So put them together, 20 minus 4 square root 5 plus square root 5. So this gives me 10 minus, oh, this went wrong. So okay, let's do question number 7. Find the area of ABCD. So since this is both are parallel, I can use the area of a trapezium formula. So what is the area of a trapezium formula? Half A plus B. So A plus B, which are parallel, times the height. So A plus B is 6 plus 3 square root of 5 plus 2 plus 3 square root of 5 times the height, 10 minus 2 square root 5. Yeah, so this gives me 1 over 2. So this is 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 3 plus 3 is 6 square root of 5 over times 10 minus 2 square root 5. So this gives me, I can cancel this one, 4 and this is 3. So 4 plus 3 square root 5 times 10 minus 2 square root 5. So this is equal to 4 times 10 is 40 minus 8 square root of 5 plus 30 square root of 5 minus 6 times 5 is 30. So this gives me 10 plus 22 square root of 5. This is the final answer for first part. And the second part is cot. So we didn't learn this cot, we didn't learn yet. So basically cot is 1 over tan. So we didn't learn, so we just leave this part. Then the next question. Again, whenever it is a drawing a graph, we better draw a table. So when x equal to 0, y is, this is negative 2, negative 4 and 1, so 8, so negative 24. And when y equal to 0, we have 2, 4 and negative 1. So 2, 4 and negative 1. So and the intercept is negative 24. See, we know that the shape is like this. Yeah. So this is the final answer. Hence find the values of x where it is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means all this part. And from here to here, this is greater than 0. So I will write here. So x lies between x is less than negative 1 and x lies between 2 and 4. So this is the answer. Find the values of k for which the line xy equal to x plus 3 is a tangent. Tangent means discriminant is 0. So first let us put them together. 2x square plus 4x plus k minus 1 is equal to kx plus 3. So I will bring the whole thing together and putting the x terms together. So 2x square plus 4 minus kx plus k minus 4 equal to 0. So this is A, this is B and this is C. So discriminant is equal to 0. So 4 minus k whole square minus 4 times 2 is 8. I will directly take it as 8 times k minus 4 equal to 0. So 16 minus 8k plus k square minus 8k plus 32 is equal to 0. So this I simplify, I get it as k square minus 16k plus 48 is equal to 0. So k minus 12 times k minus 4 equal to 0, k equal to 12 or 4. 4 or 12 is our answer. Okay, the points A and B have coordinates negative 2 comma 4 and 6 comma 10 respectively. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of AB. So bisector means first we need to find midpoint. So midpoint, how do we find? X1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So this gives me 2 comma 7. So this is the midpoint. Then I will find M of AB. M of AB is going to be 10 minus 4 over 6 plus 2 equal to 6 over 8, which is 3 over 2. So perpendicular M of AB is going to be negative 4 over 3. So now let us substitute the midpoint and the gradient into y equal to mx plus c. So y equal to negative 4 over 3 times 2 plus c. So here I will get c equal to 29 over 3. So but the question said you need to give it in the standard form here. this form. Okay, so which means a, b and c must be integers. So I will write it down first. So y equal to negative 4 over 3x plus 29 over 3. So whenever they say integers, it means everything make the denominator common. So this gives me 4x plus 3y minus 29 is equal to 0. So whenever you make the denominator common denominator, basically you can just disregard the denominator. So you got a equal to 4, b equal to 3 and c equal to negative 29. The point C has a coordinates 5 comma p. Find the line and lies on the perpendicular bisector of a. So in this I will just substitute x equal to 5 into the equation. So y equal to, basically we can just use the equation which we have in a y equal to mx plus c form. So y equal to negative 4 over 3 times 5 plus 29 over 3. So you will get y equal to 3. So the point P equal to 3. It is given that the line AB bisects the line CB. Find the coordinates of D. So basically the line AB is bisecting the line at CD. So this point is 2 comma 7 and we already know that C is 5 comma 3. What is C? C we just got 5 comma 3. So use the midpoint formula. So this D we will write it as A comma B. Okay, 5 plus A by 2 is equal to 2 here, comma 3 plus B by 2 is equal to 7. So A 5 plus A equal to 4, A equal to negative 1. B 3 plus B equal to 14, B equal to 11. So coordinates of D are negative 1 and 11. Then the polynomials again, polynomial question. P of x equal to the equation given has a factor. So this is factor. So first I will write it as f of negative 1 over 2 is equal to a 1 over 2 whole cube plus 3 times negative 1 over 2 whole square plus b times negative 1 over 2 minus 12 is equal to 0. So this gives me negative 8 a over 8 plus 3 over 4 minus b over 2 plus 12 over 1. So everything changed to, let us simplify first. Negative 8 over 8 minus b over 2. This gives me plus let me change this one, 51 over 4. So everything I will change it into, whenever it's a fraction, just better change everything to common denominator as I said in the earlier question. So this gives me 3 over 4 negative 12. Oh, this is a negative 12. I'm sorry here. So this is 45. Yeah. And also negative 45 over 4. So everything changed to common denominator. Wait. Yeah, so everything is 8, you can see. So negative 8 minus 4b minus 90. So I will write it as a plus 4b equal to negative 90. So this is the first equation we got. And also it is given that x minus 3. So f of 3. The remainder is 105. So a times 3 cubed plus 3 times 3 squared plus b times 3 minus 12. So this gives me 27a plus 3b plus 15, because this is 27, right? This is 27. 27 minus 12 is 15. Okay, so then 27a plus 3b is equal to 90. I will divide everything with um, 3, so I will get it as 9a plus 4b equal to 9a plus b equal to 30. So now you can see that this is a and this is 4b and this is 90. So you see that there are no similar terms, so I will better change this one to times 4. So I will now put it down because we need to cancel one variable, right? So this gives me 36a plus 4b is equal to 120. So now I can cancel. So negative 35a is equal to negative 210, a equal to 6. I got a equal to 6, and when you substitute a equal to 6, then you will get b as, when a equal to 6, b you will get it as negative 24. So these are our answers. Using your answers in the previous a and b, using your values a and b, you have to find as a product of 2x plus 1 and a quadratic. Okay, so basically we need to divide. So 6x cubed plus 3x squared minus 24x minus 12 divided by 2x plus 1. So let me divide 3x squared. So I'll get 6x cubed plus 3x squared. So this gets cancelled. So I can bring down these two terms. So this is minus 12. So negative 24x minus 12. Then cancels. You will get, so p of x equal to 2x plus 1 times 3x squared minus 12. So hence solve p of x. So 2x plus 1 times 3x square minus 12 is equal to 0. So 2x equal to negative 1, x equal to negative 1 over 2. 3x square equal to 12, x square equal to 4, x equal to plus or minus 2. So you will have values, three values, negative 1, x2 equal to 2, x3 equal to negative. Yeah, three values of x. Next question, find the exact solutions of equation. See, whenever you have like this, basically let ln 5x equal to a. So this gives me 3a square plus 2a minus 1 equal to 0. Then when you factorize, you will get a plus 1 times 3a minus 1 equal to 0, a equal to negative 1, a equal to 1 over 3. But we know that ln 5x equal to a. So ln 5x equal to negative 1, ln 5x equal to 1 over 3. So 5x equal to, ln has a base e to the power of negative 1, x equal to e to the power of negative 1 divided by 5. And this one also, 5x equal to e to the power of 1 over 3, x equal to e to the power of 1 over 3 and over 5. So if you want to simplify, you can write it like this, or no problem, cube root of e over 5, or you can just leave it like this also. Both are fine, no problems. Next question, circular measures again. The diagram shows a circle with center O, radius and radius 8 centimeters. The points A, B, C, D lie on the circumference of a circle. AOB is theta radians and angle COD is 1.4. Okay, the area of a sector AOB, okay, this one. So the area of a sector is 20 centimeters squared. Okay, so now find angle theta. All right. So let us find the theta. So half r square theta is equal to 20. Half times 8 square times theta equal to 20. So theta is going to be 5 over 8. So this theta is 5 over 8. Yeah. Find the length of the arc AB. So we know that arc length is going to be r theta, which is going to be 5 over 8 times 8. So which is 5 centimeters. Find the area of the shaded region. So how do we find the area of the shaded region? Find the area of the triangle, find the area of the sector, then you can minus both of them. So first area of the sector, then find area of the triangle, area of triangle, right? So area of the sector, half r square, which is 8 square, times 2.4. Is it 2.4 or 1.4? So this gives me 44.8, which is 13.265, which is 13 point, oh wait, 44.8. Yeah. Then area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is half times BC. BC again 8 square times sine 1.4. So when you simplify this, you will get 31.534. So minus both of them. 44.8 minus 31.534. This gives us 13.3 centimeter square. This is the answer. Then solve. So e to the power of 3x plus 4 is equal to 14 over 5. So ln on both sides. When you take ln on both sides, let me write this one nicely first. When you take ln on both sides, the e is gone, equal to ln 14 over 5. So x equal to, use algebra, just ln 14 over 5 minus 4 divided by 3. So use the calculator. Ln 14 over, divided by 3 gives us negative 0.9901. So this, write it in the 3 significant, 990. Then log LG 2y minus 7 plus, so I use the multiplication law first. So 2y minus 7 times y is equal to LG 2 cubed, right? So this gives me, so when the, you can see that both sides there is a LG, so I will cancel it. 2, so 2y square minus 7y minus 8 is equal to 0. So now I will simplify. Oh, this is 3 squared, not 2 cubed, 3 squared. Okay, so now I will factorize this, then you will get x equal to negative 1 or x equal to 4.35. So whenever you get the value of x, y equal to, not x equal to, I'm so sorry, here. Okay, so whenever you get the value of x or y, you check where is basically y. So y is here, so we cannot have the negative number, so I will discard this. So x equal to 4.5 only. Okay, so next, write log base 2p minus log base 2q over log base 2r. Everything is base 2, base 2, base 2 except this guy. Yeah, so I will change that one first. Log base 2, log base 2, 2 and r. So this gives me 1 over log base 2r. Yeah, so let us solve the denominator first. Times 1 over log base 2r. So you can see that this and this gets cancelled, so the denominator is just 1. Yeah, so now I will apply the numerator now. So I can use the division law here. It becomes p by q. That's it. Simple. Question number 5. So I think we have a few more questions only left, so let us finish.